In the great wide world around us, there are many creatures that inhabit land, sea, and sky. Some of these creatures travel far from their homes and find new places to live. Sometimes these travelers become what we call invasive species. They thrive in new environments where they don't naturally belong, often causing problems for local wildlife and ecosystems. Let's embark on an educational journey to learn about 10 intriguing invasive species and understand why they capture our attention. First, let's explore the story of the European starling. Introduced to North America in the late 19th century, a group of people released around 100 starlings in New York because they wanted every bird mentioned by Shakespeare to live in America. Thousands of these birds now exist, competing fiercely with native species for nesting sites and food. Next on our list is the cane toad, originally brought to Australia with the hopes of controlling beetle populations in sugarcane fields. Unfortunately, the plan backfired. These toads have toxic skin that harms predators, and their population exploded, which significantly affected local wildlife. The gypsy moth, introduced into the United States accidentally, is another fascinating case. This insect was initially brought over for silk production experiments in the late 1800s. Its larvae, or caterpillars, are known to munch on the leaves of numerous tree species, causing widespread defoliation and damage to forests. Now, let's move to the waterways and meet the zebra mussel. These small, striped mollusks hitchhike to North America aboard ships. Once in a new environment, zebra mussels multiply rapidly, clogging water pipes and outcompeting native mussel species for resources. Our fifth species is the Burmese python, an exotic pet that became problematic when released into Florida's Everglades. This massive snake preys on birds and mammals, including some endangered species, disrupting the natural balance. The Norway rat, ubiquitous around the globe, is our sixth species. Coming from Asia, they spread through human trade and settlement. Known for their resilience and adaptability, these rats often cause damage to crops, stored food, and even spread diseases. Among aquatic threats, the lionfish is strikingly beautiful with its vibrant stripes and venomous spines. Originally from the Indian and Pacific Oceans, they're now established in the Atlantic due to unintended release. As voracious eaters, they endanger the local reef fish population. Transported by ships, the Asian carp is a robust fish, introduced to control algae and weed growth in American waterways. With their rapid reproduction and ability to outcompete native fish, they pose serious threats to local fish habitats and industry. The Kudzu vine, known colloquially as the vine that ate the South, was introduced to the United States to control soil erosion. Although effective as ground cover, kudzu grows aggressively, often enveloping and killing native plants and trees. Our final candidate is the house sparrow, like the European starling, introduced to North America from Europe. It competes with native birds, such as bluebirds, for nesting sites, often leading to a decline in these native populations. As we conclude this journey through the world of invasive species, remember that these fascinating yet problematic creatures serve as a reminder of the delicate balance within ecosystems. When animals or plants move beyond their natural boundaries, the effects can be surprising and profound, highlighting the intricate connections in nature. Through this exploration, we grasp the vital role of maintaining biodiversity and ensuring that ecosystems remain in harmony. Understanding invasive species is a step towards safeguarding our planet's rich, diverse tapestry of life. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and may it inspire curiosity about the world and its marvelous array of species.